Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute. Meet Deborah and Marisol,
Okay, say it all over again.
Hi, I'm Deborah.
And I'm Marisol.
your passionate and creative hosts who will guide you through a world of warm textures, reclaimed wood, and cozy accents. Let's unleash the rustic designer in you.
We're on.
Hi, howdy y'all. Welcome back. Sorry I'm late.
This is Deborah. And I'm Marisol. Today we'll be diving into the charming world of shabby chic interiors. We'll explore the key elements and give you some inspiration to create your own rustic rapture at home.
So grab a glass of sweet tea, sit back, and get ready.
So what exactly is shabby chic? It's a style that combines vintage charm with a touch of rustic elegance. It embraces the beauty of imperfection with the focus of recycling and repurposing old items to create a warm and welcoming space.
Exactly. It's all about celebrating the history and character of pre-loved furniture and accessories, giving them a new lease on life. But don't be fooled by the name. Shabby chic is all about refined yet relaxed sophistication.
So let's talk about the key elements of shabby chic interiors. First up, the color palettes. Soft muted tones like pastels and neutrals are a staple in this style. Think pale pinks, creams, and dusty blues.
And don't forget about the textures. Layering textures adds depth and interest to the space. Combine distressed wood, chippy paint, and vintage linens for that cozy lived-in feeling.
Now, another essential element is the use of vintage and antique items. The older, the better. The key is to mix and match different styles, patterns, and materials to create a unique personal touch.
And finally, one of our favorite elements, floral accents. Whether it's wallpaper, cushions, or simple vase of flowers, adding a touch of nature brings life and charm to any shabby chic space.
So there you have it.
Thanks y'all for tuning in again. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked this video.
What are you doing? It's like pastels.
Pastels.
It's like pastels. Rustic Rapture at home.